Today on Auto Pros on the Road, we're in Battleground, Washington at Morse Auto Repair. From humble beginnings fixing cars out of his garage in the 1980s, Art Morse Sr. saw a need for an auto care center in town. He partnered with Napa and began a shop that would become a community staple. Now run by third-generation owner Hunter Morse, he's brought fresh ideas, but the shop remains grounded in its old-school values and commitment to servicing the community.
We started about 35, 40 years ago. My grandfather started this business out of his garage here locally in town. Really skilled mechanic, and he was working with Dan Askey, who was a president of Napa, and built one of the first West Coast Napa Auto Care centers from the ground up. This building came in around 91, 92, and we've been a pillar of the Battleground community ever since. I've worked here, my whole life. I started at our oil change facility when I was 16. I'm 27 now. Just kind of rolled through the paces. Lube technician, mechanical technician, then went into some management stuff at the oil change facility, and then things kind of got thrown up in the air during COVID. There were some positions open over here as a service writer. I really just brought a lot of newer kind of thought processes to the table that maybe the older generation didn't share so much. And my dad was looking to retire. He was ready to get out. And so we just took the next step at that point. That was within the last 3 or 4 years. Our main market's going to be, domestic and import vehicles for the working class citizen that needs to get to work. They need to get home. Everybody that lives in Battleground typically doesn't work in Battleground. They're making the commutes. There's lots of miles where, 40 minutes out of downtown Portland. So there is a good amount of commuting traffic time. And that's wear and tear on cars, right? Idle time is not good. And so we see a lot of those people that, they make their way in here to stay reliably on the road. That's the market we fill. And we also service quite a few different fleet accounts. We're really, really proud and happy to have the Battleground School District's fleet account and service all their vehicles, make sure the kids are on the road safe in a timely fashion.
And when it came time to choosing a partner, the decision was clear. They've been Napa from the very beginning.
We were a Napa Auto Care Center from the ground up. So we were Napa since day one. I know that my grandfather was a big proponent of Napa Auto Care. He liked the idea of it. There was also a Napa parts store here in Battleground. It was one of the only parts stores in Battleground. And so for everybody in Battleground, if you needed auto repair parts, you went to Napa. It was kind of the name brand here in town. And so it all just kind of came together really naturally. Napa gives us killer warranties, and they give us really quick turnaround times on defective parts, and really just no guff when it comes to taking care of issues that we may have.
But behind every repair and every part is something even stronger. The people, the relationships, and the community that make Morse Auto Repair special.
The community is everything. It's an instrumental part. Battleground's grown massively since we started here. It's grown around us. We're very thankful for that. My grandmother, actually, she has this saying that's always weighed on me in a really positive way, and I think it's influenced kind of the way that I do business. And she tells me, we're here to lift Battleground up, not drag it down. That's always really resonated with me because everybody that we work with, whether I'm writing the ticket or somebody else is, you start to see people for the individuals that they are, and there's something to admire in everybody. We're surrounded by good people with good morals. That leads to a work environment that's not normal. I mean, I don't feel like it's normal, and I hear this all the time, that there is something special about being here, being present here, and there's an element of friendship and family. We come here every day for each other. We all have families, we all support each other. It's a team environment. And I think accountability and responsibility are characteristics that everybody here that works here has. And it's conducive to a great work environment. Something I think about a lot. My grandfather died really young. He was 52. I was only 2 months old when he passed. So I truly never knew him. But there is something special. We've got a lot of tenured employees here. Our lead diagnostic technician, his name's Derek, he's been with us for 33 years, right? Longer than I've been alive. He worked for my grandfather, worked for my dad, lucky enough to work with him now. I mean, there's something special when you work with a customer that knew my dad or knew my grandfather, and they're able to give me some insight into what it was like working with them and knowing what kind of shoes I'm feeling now. It is very, very special. There's a lot of heritage here. There's a lot of love for this building, for this place, for this community.